Hi guys, this is Jana Banana in Dapolong, Santa Ines. Oh, hi mo everyone. Hi everyone. This is Jana Banana vlogging.
Doon na to, mas maganda.
We're here in Dapolong.
I cannot see.
Oh, this is Jana Banana.
Ayan, tulog na si Jana. Sleep na ikaw?
Yay!
Sleep na ikaw?
Hindi ako matulog.
Bakit?
Kasi madulas.
Oh, you hi to them.
Ay,
So, saan tayo?
nasa bunot.
Dapulong.
Bulong.
Dapulong. You say Dapulong.
Bunot.
Walang bunot.
Bunot to. This is the bunot.
Nabunot, hindi na pulong.
Ayan.
I want my hair. I don't want to color.
There's a small fish. Look, there's small fish, oh. Small fish.
Yeah, I know. Guys, did you know small fish? I don't want hair.
Oh, you talk to them. Come on.
Hi, guys.
What did you tell to them?
Happy birthday!
Yeah. It's happy birthday?
It's happy birthday to you. Nobody likes you. You look like an animal. Go back to the zoo. I'll give you a rock if you
Nasaan na
want.
yung takip na ito, Jana? Saan yung takip